It's something that I always wanted to do, and like I want to be able to serve the communities that I will work for, and it makes me proud to know that I'm doing that. This is our police academy classroom. You learn everything about criminal justice. So arrest, search, and seizures, driving, standardized field sobriety tests, crash, and all that culminates into the state exam that you take at the end of the academy. Here we have Police Academy cadets Jacob and Eric going over handcuffing techniques. Cadet Razel and Adric going over handcuff techniques as well. And once you pass that test, you get your OPATA certificate and can work at any agency that is hiring. So the program is about 5 months long, so around 20 weeks long. You learn a lot from the instructors. They're very good instructors that teach here.
I love the opportunity to come in and work with the next generation in law enforcement, and it's exciting just to have the privilege to come in and instruct you guys for the real world environment that you'll be entering.
There's a lot of agencies hiring. They're doing stuff like paying for you to come here, which they've never done before. They need people. So if you want to come here and be a police officer, come do it. You should come to EHOVE because it's a very inviting academy and a career center. Your future, your career.